Guys, we are in the phase of starting our cloud journey. So first thing first, we need to have an AWS account created. In this video, I will show you how you can create and what challenges you could face and how can we overcome from that. So come on guys, let's start with the video. In order to create your AWS account, all you need is an email ID and a debit or credit card. So in order to proceed with, go to Google and then just search for AWS console. The first thing you can just go to the first link and then you would see something called sign into the console. So if you're already using AWS for any of your office purpose, then you would end up to this screen where you have no clue of like how to create an AWS account or where to go and navigate to create an AWS account. This is something I struggle as well. So all you need to do is you need to click sign in using root user email, and then you get the hidden box of creating an AWS account over here. So click over it and you would take you to the magical place of creating an AWS account. So root user email address, so provide your personal email address as you would be practicing it for, never give an official email address, and then let me choose the account name as Arasamaram as that. So all we need to do is verify email address. So this would send an verification code to our email. So let's go over there. Boom. So within a fraction of seconds, I have the email code. So let me copy that, and all we need to do is paste the verification code. In case if you had any issues with getting the verification code, obviously you can do the resend. If not, try closing your browser, clear the cache history, or even trying from different other browsers as well. Root user password, so this is something very sensitive one. Never ever share with anyone, even with your close buddies. Don't share it, keep it personal. In case if you have any plans to share your same AWS account with any of your peers, best practice is to create a separate AWS account for them, and then they provide their email address for their account so that they can get an email for their password. We will see more in detail like how to set up the user accounts and how can that be handled in our upcoming videos. So it's going to cover just 5 steps. So first is to set up the root password. So let's go for the next one. So it's asking for the purpose, like are you creating it for a business or personal? Since I am creating it for my personal own projects, I go for it. Full name, so I'm not giving my actual one, so I just give like a the one, and then the phone number. I don't think it's mandatory. The state where do you live in, the India address, and then I just give city as Chennai and postal code if you would like to do. So it's good to see like you need a mandatory phone number as well. So in addition to the email ID, credit or debit card, you also need a phone number for it. So let me give one. So it's very obvious, you can provide your actual address. Since it's just for the demo purpose, I'm going with the dummy address and the phone number and postal code. As you could see, as recommended by AWS, so once you create an AWS account, you automatically covers under the free tier, which means you are privileged and you can use AWS offered service to a certain extent for a 12 months period of time. And there are certain service which comes under the trials which you can still activate as part of creating an this AWS account. So billing information, so as if you are in India, as per RBI norms, so the AWS stopped taking auto debit. So each month if you are crossing any billing across your free tier account, or if your account is no more free tier post 1 year of your account creation, and if you want to make any payment, if you are in India, so no more auto debit occurs. So we need to manually log into the console and make our payment. As you could see, it's asked for the credit or debit card number along with your CVV, cardholder's name, and it's even asked for a PAN card. I have no clue why it's asked for the PAN card, so let me give the details. So I think it's not a mandatory one, but it's for a billing purpose, I think. Let's try two things, one without giving a PAN card and one with a PAN card. So as soon as I entered my bank details, it's have sent me an OTP, and it's going to return 2 rupees from the account. Let's see. Cool. So now our bank statement is done. It's asking to confirm our identity, which we can verify it using the mobile number which we have provided. So we just need to fill the captcha. In case if you find that difficult to read it, you can use this play button to read it, or you can even do a over here for refreshing it and see get an easy characteristics from there. So once you enter the verification code, so you get an option to select the support plan. Since you are into a free tier and you are going to do it just for the learning purpose, choose basic support plan, which is free. Never ever choose development support nor business support. It's more for an startup or an enterprise specific one, so we always go with basic support. And then boom, we are all set for the free tier account. Congratulations, now you have signed up for the one. So we can go to the AWS management console, and then you can say sign into the console, and yeah, sign in as root account. So here the root user, so now we will sign it as a root user. So here the root user is your email ID itself. So the password which you use at the time of creation of an account, and it's going to ask for the security code, which you can just use the captcha. So what are the best practices to be taken care once creation of an AWS account? We will see that in the next video. Till then, ensure to subscribe our channel, click the bell button for more videos from us. If you have liked our video, ensure to click the like button, share it with your friends and peers. See you guys in the next video. Till then, tata bye bye from Vasan. Thanks.